So, Verydarkman recently said that Igbo businessmen are happy that Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is continued to be held in DSS dungeon and Bola Tinubu playing the game of holding Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Some of you guys come for Verydarkman head for saying that. And I used to run program. I run program weekendly. I have said this many times that a lot of our businessmen, they are happy that Nnamdi Kanu continues to be there because they thought if they get Biafra, what they are going to lose, their businesses, their houses. Is that not what they are destroying Lagos now? All those things they are solving for. Listen to Biafran government in Eza, my Simon Eba, even said the same thing. Listen to him before you go to what they call it, Verydarkman's head. Listen.
Most of you who claim you own businesses everywhere in Nigeria, for that reason, you want everybody to die. Nobody is above death. Death is going to visit everybody. Just have to pray that you live and make impact in this life. The impact that matters now, as far as Nigeria is concerned, is not the impact to make people millionaires. It is impact to make people to be alive. It is impact to make people to feel secure. It is impact to make people feel they are free. That is the biggest impact you can make. Millions are going to come. People will become millionaires when they are alive. Of what use is it? You make somebody millionaire today and tomorrow he died by gunshot from Fulani. Of what use will it be to the society? You pick up somebody and send him abroad and he come back to Nigeria and police will kill him. It is happening every day. Why do you want to continue to be part of a country like that? Why? We all have seen millionaires. There is no amount of money you have today that Igbo people have never met before. Everybody knows who is Ezego. Ezego of Ihala. Ezego of Ihala was one of the richest men. What happened to him? He died in accident. Ezego died as he was coming back home